we have given triangle KLM, and we have that P, R, and S are the midpoints of the sides. If PS is 3B minus 1 and ML is 4B plus 10, we have to find RL. So first, because we have given that PRS are the midpoints of the sides, it means that from the definition of midpoint, we know that the midpoint of a segment is the point that divides the segment into two congruent segments. So R is the midpoint of ML. It means that MR is congruent to LR, or RR is the same segment. So this is from definition of midpoint. Next, we have here that PRS are the midpoints of the sides. So we can use mid-segment theorem, which tells us that the segment connecting the midpoints P and S are the midpoints of two sides of triangle is parallel to the third side and is half as long as that side. So we can write that by the mid-segment theorem. We have that PS is parallel to ML or LM, you can write, doesn't matter, it's still the same segment. It's just different name for the same segment. So PS is parallel to ML, and from this theorem we have that PS is equal 1/2 of ML. So now we can use this equation to find B. If we have B, we can find the RL. So let's start from the beginning. Let me copy this equation. PS is equal 1/2 of ML. So PS is given by expression 3b minus 1 is equal 1/2 times 4b plus 10. So now I will multiply both sides by 2 to reduce 1/2. 2 and 2 we can cancel, and we have on the left side we have to multiply by 2 this whole expression. So we have 2 times 3b minus 1 is equal 4b plus 10. So 2 times 3b is 6b minus 2 is equal 4b plus 10. Now I will move 4b to the left side, so we have 6b minus 4b is equal, on the right side we have 10, and negative 2 I will move to the right side, so it will be plus 2. 6b minus 4b is 2b is equal 12. So now I will divide both sides by 2. 2 and 2 we can reduce, and we have that b is equal 12 divided by 2, 6. So we found B. Now we have to find RL. We know that R is the midpoint of ML. So from definition of midpoint, we have that MR segment is congruent to RL segment. Or you can write LR is still the same segment. So now, if we know that this point divides the segment into two congruent segments, it means that MR is equal to RL. So now, first we will find ML. So ML is given by this expression 4b plus 10. B we have that this is equal 6. So we have 4 times 6 plus 10. So this is equal 24 plus 10. So this is equal 34. We have that ML is equal 34. And because R divides this segment to two congruent segments, so MR or RL, we can write MR is equal to RL and is equal 1/2 of ML. So this is equal 1/2 times ML is 34. So this is equal 17. So we found RL. MR is equal to RL. So we can rewrite that RL is equal 17. This is my solution.